Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at itinan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan. Money, career, finances ngayong March 2025. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Gemini. What's up? Kaperahan ng mga Gemini ngayong March. O, diba? Prosperity. Masagana. Oo. This is growth, no? So, maaring yung business mo lumalago, or yung trabaho mo mas nag-i-increase yung iyong sweldo, or yung benefits mo sa trabaho, pwedeng meron ka matatanggap na dividendo o kaya extra income ngayong March. Nag-overflow eh. You also have trust, so this is about trusting yourself, trusting your energies, trusting yung mga bagay na kaya mong gawin. Kasi minsan kahit kaya natin gawin, nagda-doubt tayo, lalo na kapag naunahan na tayo ng takot, ng hiya, na baka tayo ay we are not good enough, 'di ba? So as long as you believe in yourself, you're good enough. Okay? So, ikaw yung unang-unang dapat nagtitiwala sa sarili mo. Letting go. So, some of you may be letting go of a job, a career, or a business na you feel like it's no longer serving you. Yung iba naman, this is about letting go of your limiting beliefs, na yun yung nagiging dahilan para hindi mo maituloy yung mga plano mo kasi yung isip mo baka hindi mo kaya. Alam mo yun, parang hindi pa nga siya problema, pinoproblema mo na. Diba? Advance. So, you're going to let go of that. Anything that is no longer serving your highest good pagdating sa finances mo, sa pera, sa trabaho mo. Ano yung overall energy? You have the Page of Wands. Okay, as an overall energy, this is about adventure. So, maaring ngayong March, may travel opportunities ka. Pwedeng ikaw ipapadala sa ibang lugar, ibang bansa, ibang probinsya ng iyong trabaho, no? So maaring parang yung iba pwedeng madedestino sa ibang lugar, or meron kayong kailangang asikasuhin sa ibang lugar. So yung iba naman, if you have a business, I think mas nagiging adventurous ka sa mga actions mo. You are thinking outside the box, kumbaga. So parang meron kang nire-research dito, inaalam. Your challenge is Ace of Swords. Ang challenge mo is yung new beginnings para sa'yo. Maaring yung iba nagsisimula pa lang sa negosyo, sa trabaho, and hindi naman natin maaalis yung kakabahan ka, o kaya nandun ka sa point na you are feeling anxious kasi baka hindi ka mag-perform ng maayos. Oo. So, kumbaga i-set aside mo yung fears mo, yung kasi yan yung magbo-block sa'yo of the things na kailangan mo sanang dapat ginagawa. And then, your opportunity is the Hanged Man. The Hanged Man is about new perspective, bagong pananaw sa buhay. So, if this is your opportunity, maaring meron kang masusolusyonan na problema, no? Kasi meron ditong susi, tapos may nakapadlock dito. Nakapadlock yung kamay mo. So, maaring sa ngayon, you're trying to figure out kung paano mo gagawin or i-execute yung solusyon sa problema mo. So, ngayon, mas mas ginagamit mo yung isip mo, you are analyzing things, which is also good for you. Your blessing is, you have the Hierophant. Okay, as a blessing, maaring meron kang bagong matututunan. This can be any type of learning or knowledge na merong taong willing na tumulong sa'yo, mag-support sa'yo, ibigay yung information na kailangan mo. And this is also about peace of mind. So, maaring, ayan ang isa sa blessing ninyo, magkakaroon kayo ng peace of mind, kapayapaan ng isip. Yung iba, if you're a teacher, I see opportunities sa inyo sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa, or outside of your teaching, outside of teaching, kumbaga, pwedeng teacher ka ngayon, tapos sa pagdating ng March, may magbabago sa gusto mong gawin, tapos pwedeng within that month, mag-change ka na ng field of work. From teaching, maaring, pero pwede mo pa rin naman gamitin yung talents and skill set mo sa pagtuturo eh. Kumbaga, ile-level up mo lang. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na pag-aalala. Ayan. Don't fear failure but be afraid of regrets. Oo nga naman. Kasi yun yung sasabi mo na sana pala ginawa ko o sana pala sinunod ko si yung friend mo. Okay, you have a volunteer, so sharing is caring. Some of you will help someone, you will share your knowledge. Or yung iba naman, this is about charitable work, charity. So, pwedeng i-involve mo yung sarili mo sa isang charity work. You will try to check the conditions of yung mga beneficiaries. You have, the boss. The boss ka, Gemini. You are about to take bigger responsibilities. Syempre, pag bigger responsibilities, bigger din yung expectations sa'yo, or can also mean bigger yung iyong income kasi mas marami kang responsibility. Harmony. So, things are going to be harmonious. Maaring iba sa inyo, you will be working with other people, like co-creation to pwedeng collaboration, partnership with someone, especially if you're a content creator. So, you have the Wheel of Karma, which is about the divine law intervention. This is about the things na pwede mong gawin na merong nag-guide sa'yo, like gusto mong gawin, kaya lang hindi ka pa sure dahil iniisip mo baka walang mag-guide sa'yo. So, napaka-importante na someone is there to train you, to teach you. Labyrinth. Ayun. Yung iba kasi may confusion, no? So, yung confusion na to, maayos yan, masusolusyonan yan by having someone na mag-mentor sa'yo. Para mas maging madali yung proseso. Yung iba sa inyo magte-take kayo ng risk. You're going to take a risk in a decision na gagawin ninyo sa career nyo, sa trabaho nyo, sa business ninyo ngayong March. So, kailangan dito is committed talaga kayo. Kasi pwede ka mag-take ng risk pero hindi ka magte-take ng responsibility sa consequences ng risk na yon. So, dapat it has to go both ways, no? So, may risk and also alam mo rin yung responsibilities ng outcome. New rhythms are coming into your life. You are encouraged to trust and adapt. See? So, may mga pagbabago raw na kailangan kang mag-adjust. Kasi, pambaga, iaayon mo yung sarili mo sa mga pagbabagong nangyayari para at least nakakasabay ka dun sa mga bagong trends. Pay attention, a powerful message is being communicated to you now. Ayan. So, meron daw very powerful message na kina-communicate sa inyo. So, maaring ito ang message na to, no? Or maaring someone who is like a mentor sa'yo or teacher sa'yo will share their ideas or they will share their knowledge sa'yo para mas maging madali, no? Yung iyong mga maisakatuparan yung mga plano mo. The connection to divine guidance is within you. So yes, Gemini, you are divinely guided. Nothing to worry. Okay? Kumbaga, dinadala ka sa purpose mo, and saan man tumakarating, definitely you will learn a lot from it, from the experience. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.